Hello guys, good morning. Ito na naman tayo. Um, it's 25 in the morning. So, medyo last 24 is medyo busy, nagde-drive. Uh, Service doon, service dito. At least kumita ng konti. Hindi naman kumita ng konti. Actually, mostly sapat lang pang maintenance, pang gas, pambili ng kung ano lang. Pero kung sakali, 80% napupunta sa lahat ng ganun. So, ito. Ngayon, ang ano natin for today is later actually may service ako. And it's already 11 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So, what time now? It's actually 12. 12:30, so maybe konting oras na lang. Ibabahagi ko lang. I'll show you kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Actually, I'm here alone. So, mga friends ko, roommates ko, actually nag-vacation sa ibang lugar. So, ito, iyaano ko lang experience ko dito. So, I'm making some bread. Yan, bread. So, itong bread nito is cheap lang to dito sa Poland. And medyo matigas na nga eh. So, buti na lang hindi pa inaamag. And cheese ay mura lang kasi ang cheese dito. So, I have those cheese inside my ref. Ayan. I got it in sale. Yeah, I got it in sale. That's it. So, around 2 zloty sale that time. Or let's say, no, I think more than 2 zloty. So, sa Europe, mostly groceries dito, if it's okay, holiday seasons or something, nagsisale sila. So, it's better. So, after then, um, meron pala akong ano, I I made this one. In here. If you could see, I have stacks of bananas. See? You see? I have 3 stacks of bananas. Kasi, dito sa grocery namin, Sklep, small tindahan, um, I I got this one whole box of bananas, which is the owner told me that they don't like the skin. So they don't like the skin because it's turning brown or black. So instead of throwing it out, they gave it for free. I took it all. Then I watched YouTube kasi naging in few days it will be soft, very ripe already. I check it out. The skin is only dark, but the inner side is not yet ripe yet. So if you expose it to the out, if you expose it, nagkakaroon siya, lumalambot na siya. So what I do is, tinignan ko yung YouTube, I pack it up with a foil, no, not foil, what you call this, zip plastic, yeah, zip plastic. Then take off the skin, throw it off, then yan nilagay ko sa ref. So it's it's preserved and very good. So dito rin sa Poland, mas cheaper yung ano. Nagkakaroon na sila ng cheap sales pag bumibili ka rin ng gatas, milk. So milk. So itong milk, minsan when you buy two, may libre kang one, something like that. So it's like gratis. Gratis in Spanish is free, libre. And here also the words I will be saying different to words na rin or mixed words para maintindihan nyo. So, parang magkaroon kayo ng knowledge ng how to speak it up, mga foreign words na which is wala tayo dyan. So, gratis is in Spanish, libre. Sa atin, libre rin. Free, something like that. So, yung milk, medyo may diskwento. So, ayun. Nakakuha tayo nun. Then, I made it. So, maybe two bananas. I put it down here. Just shake. And I put it milk, water. And I would like to make some smoothies for the day. At least 2 bananas or 1 banana will be good for a day. At least na-save ko yung bananas. Di ba? So, and what else? That's the reason why na we just keep on working hard here, improving, and kung ano masisave natin para sa ating family, it will. So, that's it for today. I hope na madami kayong natutunan from work abroad and sa mga OFWs working here. I know na ginagawa rin nila yon. And for the new OFWs working here abroad, matututunan rin nyo. And for the people who or loved ones na hindi pa nakakaalam or just asking for anything else from us, at least kung sino makakanood ng video nito, at least alam nyo kung ano yung ginagawa rin ng mga namin or iba, kasi others are different also. So, yan. Mostly sa mga kids na hindi nila alam kung ano yung nararanasan ng parents nila. This is a good information or idea na ganun ang mostly or not all but mostly who works hard for you para maibigay yung needs nyo. So anyway, thank you very much and Merry Christmas.